Just going to show you how I make my cheese tortilla. So, 2 minutes. I'm going to hit start. Okay. So, you can use this for a lot of things. You can make it for a tortilla for nachos, or you can make it for a bun for a hamburger. It's all cheese. So it's just this kind of cheese that I used. And so this is pretty cheap. It's already shredded, and it's not too cheesy. You see I put it there now. So I'm going to make if I was just going to make a hamburger, I might do it just about like this, and it's going to be a little thicker. But what I want to make in this case, not a hamburger bun, but just a crisp cheese tortilla. So I'm going to spread this out like so. I want it pretty thin and crispy and kind of crunchy, because you can also just make this as a nice snack. You don't have to put anything at all on it. The other thing that you can do, and I think I'm going to do this time, go ahead and get this out here. Okay, so about that. And I'm just going to add, let's see if I can get this open, a little bit of this, a little bit of Lowry's, just to give it a little bit of flavor. And you can see I have 26 seconds, so I think it's going to take longer than 2 minutes. So there you go. So I have this on high. And as you can see, cheese has almost fully melted, but I'm going to have to do it until it's really kind of brown all around. So there, we're at 2 minutes. Let's go another 2 minutes. See how long it takes. Okay, I'm back, and now it's actually a total of 3 minutes. And you can see now, see how it's starting to get brown around the outside? Let's see, can I move it around? No. So, well, just a little bit. So it's starting to get there. We'll let it go a little bit longer. So now we're at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, so we're almost at 4 minutes. Take a look here. Okay, so see, very brown. And if I take a spatula and see how I can move it around so easy, you can actually get under it a little bit, and that's getting about where we want it. So we're at 4 minutes, and I think that's going to work. So alright, so that's probably got another 10 seconds. So I'm going to take this off and then slide it right onto a cool plate. And that cool plate is going to set it, because you're going to notice that when you took it off, it's going to be really not so hard. But in no time at all, see, look here, see, I can already pick it up like this. It's already getting hard. The other thing you can do if you really want it crispy is you can just, when it gets to about this point, is you can flip it over in the pan just for a few seconds and fry the other side. So especially if you're doing something like where the inside really didn't matter and you want it really crispy. The other thing you can do at this point, you can take this and bend it over into a taco shape, and you can make a taco shell with it. And once I bend it over like that, if I just left it there, you see that? If I left it there, and it would turn into a taco shell. So you can make your tacos with this as well. So that's it. That's how I did it. And what we took about 4 minutes, a little over 4 minutes. And there you go.